Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on Schwab. First, you will need to open a brokerage account with Charles Schwab. This is your essential first step to begin investing. Once your account is established, fund it with at least $100, which is a common minimum for many investments. Finally, access the trading platform, either through their user-friendly website or the convenient mobile application, to prepare for your first trade. Before buying, it is crucial to research your investment options thoroughly. Schwab provides extensive research tools to help you identify suitable stocks that align with your financial objectives. Take time to analyze company financials, review market trends, and understand the industry landscape. Always consider your personal investment goals and your comfort level with risk to make informed decisions about where to allocate your capital. Now, let's place your order. Navigate to the dedicated trading section within the Schwab platform. Here, you will enter the specific stock ticker symbol for the company you wish to invest in, along with the quantity of shares you intend to purchase. You will also choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to specify a maximum or minimum price for the trade. After your purchase, the journey continues with managing your investments. Regularly monitor the performance of your stocks to stay informed about their progress. It is wise to periodically review your entire portfolio and make adjustments as needed, perhaps rebalancing or diversifying further. Always consider long-term investment strategies, focusing on sustained growth and achieving your financial aspirations over time, rather than short-term fluctuations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.